going on, man? What up, JT? So will the dealer tell me if there's a flash update for my 2012 Grand Cherokee?
You may be lucky. If there's a couple of recalls on the 2012 model that requires your controllers to be flashed. So you, in essence, can get that done free. And they do the latest flash update. So if a recall come out and you had flashes previously for other things, when they flash it for the recall, everything else is included. That's a fancy word for that. I can't think of it now. But so before you're gonna pay for it, I'm sure you done got all your recalls done. If not, you may be in luck. But how will a dealer you bring your car into the shop? The only way a dealer will know if there's some flash updates available for your car. A mechanic will have to use his Y-Pod, his scan tool. A mechanic, not the service advisors, because I'm not sure theirs could read. Tom in here, Helen in here. I'm not sure service advisors pod can read if your controllers have an update. Okay, but they can't have a read everything else. The mechanic Y-Pod can tell you if updates are available. So they might try to charge you arm and leg for that, man. Give it a shot, man. Some nice guy might be walking around with nothing to do. Yeah, I'll party for you and let you know. All right.